All right, guys, it's officially July 1st, which means I completed the 30-day style challenge. How exciting. So happy Canada Day. I'm rocking my log driver shirt just to celebrate. But I wanted to talk a little bit about why this challenge was so meaningful to me. It was kind of transformative. I wasn't really expecting that. So I thought I'd walk you through some of the things that I learned and why I think it is worth doing these kind of challenges. And if you are kind of feeling stuck in your wardrobe, you may find that it's beneficial as well. So number one, the biggest lesson that I learned is that I was really limiting myself. Because I work as a home organizer, I spend a lot of time in jeans and t-shirts, and I kind of limited myself in thinking that I could only wear that because it was comfortable, I could move in it. But through this month, I really found that actually I could easily wear a long skirt as well, or I could wear a top instead of a t-shirt and, look a little bit more put together, but still be as comfortable and be able to move. So I think that was a really interesting finding. And I think that I will, going forward, really try to make sure that I'm using as much as I can and wearing all the things that I love. And instead of just having the fun stuff for weekends, I can actually wear them all week as well. The other big takeaway was getting rid of the things that I'm just not wearing, right? And like anytime I put on something and I went, ugh, I don't really like it. I don't like the way it looks on me. It doesn't fit the way I'd want it to. And, I kept shoving things back in my closet and being like, oh, one day I'll lose that 5 pounds or one day I'll wear it again. And this really forced me to say, you know what? I'm really not going to. It's not worth having uncomfortable clothes in my closet. What am I doing? Like I tell clients that all the time. So why am I not following my own advice? So that was another thing that it really helped me go through my closet, pare down what I didn't wear and what I didn't want to wear, and finally let it go, because so much of it was things that I was just holding on to in case. And I think that's a really great lesson to learn and really makes that decluttering process so easy. Because once I had gone through that month and there was like a few things that I hadn't worn, it was obvious that I was never going to wear them. So it was time to let them go and go to someone else who will. Another thing that I really loved about it was the habits that it formed. So I'm going to go into a whole other video about this, but creating that little ritual for myself in the morning where I would work out, come upstairs and get ready kind of before I was dealing with everyone else and getting everyone breakfast and getting the cat fed and all of those things that I would do in the morning without even thinking about myself. It's really given me that opportunity to spend that time for me and think a little bit more about the way that I want to present myself to the world every day, which is great. So I guess what I'm trying to say is that if you have been stuck in your wardrobe and feeling like you're just wearing the same 5 things all the time, doing a challenge like this is so beneficial. You'll see exactly what you like. You'll kind of get an idea of what your own personal style is, and you'll be able to effectively get rid of the things that you're not wearing that you don't feel good in, and you'll know that you're making the right choices with that. So it's one of those things that you don't have to take a picture of yourself every day. You don't have to post it everywhere, but really going through and making a concerted effort to wear everything in your closet is going to show you what really belongs there and the way that you want to present yourself to the world. I think that's always beneficial. So if you followed along with the challenge, I would love to know your thoughts in the comments and anything that you learned about yourself or your wardrobe in that time. And don't forget to subscribe and like this video. Thanks for popping in.